Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to convert HEIF image file into JPEG image file without using any third-party app in iPhone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So firstly, let me open the Photos application and say I have one image file, right? So when I tap on it, and when I tap on its information, so you can see here clearly it's being mentioned HEIF, right? So you might be thinking, what is HEIF? So it is nothing but the high efficiency image file format. So how you can convert this HEIF image file format into JPEG image file format without using any third-party app? So for this, what you need to do is just tap and hold on the image, and now you will see here share option. Just tap on it, and below you can see here copy photo, right? Just tap on it. Now we have copied this image file. Now just minimize this and just open the files application on your iPhone, and now select the location where you want to paste. So in my case, on my iPhone, just tap and hold on the blank area, and you can see there is an option to paste. Just tap on it. Now we have pasted the copied picture, and just tap on it and just tap on this down arrow. Now you can see the image which was earlier in the HEIF image file format has been converted into JPEG image file format. As you can clearly see on the above, it's mentioned JPEG image. So that means we have finally converted the HEIF image file format into JPEG image file format without using third-party app in iPhone very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.